Welcome into our Royal Pacific stay. The bathroom here to our right. Such a nice, beautiful mirror and sink area. It's so cute. Have such a huge body length mirror, which I love. Over here we have the shower. We stayed here before. The beds are absolutely amazing to sleep in. Little flat screen TV. Cute dresser. Oh, we got some coffee in here. A Keurig machine. Some tea. Got a little mini fridge. Beautiful this orchid wallpaper is. It's just so beautiful. Love this view. We can see greenery, the pool, see some people walking around. It's so nice to be able to be here and see people and feel like COVID is finally over. So beautiful here. It's so nice and warm.
Great palm trees everywhere, beautiful blue water. Doesn't get better than this.
Guys, so here we have the Maui Sunset Colada. It has pineapple Bacardi rum, strawberry swirl, and pina colada. It's gonna be my first sip, so let's see how it tastes. Wow, that is so good.
It's good. It's sweet. It's not too strong. It's really refreshing. It's like a slushy.
So Trey's gonna do his first impression of the nachos.
It broke on me, but oh well. Let's go.
Good. So Babe is about to try the Bula burger. We asked for it medium well. It has ham and mango pico de gallo.
Here we go.
All right, Babe, try it.
Here we go. Crispy. So good. Perfect. Crispy, salty. Amazing.
From the Royal Pacific to City Walk and the parks. So come along.
There's the pool right there we were at earlier. Some cabanas. If you want to rent them.
Oh, and you can, if you don't want to take this walkway, you can take that ferry, which is really neat. Someone was waving at us.
Yeah.
I like this walkway because it's like you're on your own time. You don't really have to, because the ferries have to wait till they get filled up. So you could be sitting there for like 10 minutes waiting.
And you can walk there in 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's just a 10-minute
It's a
walk.
warm up for all the walking in the park.
So over here, there is super tall bamboo. That's honestly so cool. Like, you don't find bamboo anywhere, except in Orlando. All right, guys, so now we have made it. As you can see, that's the Islands of Adventure Tower. You can see the Hard Rock over there. A couple more steps and we'll be there.
Here we are. We're at Gringotts. We're about to get money from the bank.
Proceed to the
Here is the Ocean Attack that you can get at Chez Alcatraz at Universal Studios. Here's my first sip. Okay, pretty good. Not too strong.
It's refreshing. It's really refreshing. That's all I have to say. Here we are. We're about to check out the Jurassic World Tribute Store.
Control desk.
This is the control desk right here.
InGen database. So cool. These are iPhone cases that you can make. You can customize them with your name.
There's blue, maybe. I don't know. Looks scary. That is Triceratops.
Oh, so adorable.
I know my dinosaurs. Some cool paintings.
Jurassic Park.
Throwback.
And this
Now we're in the laboratory.
This is the fossilized amber.
Cool.
Super unique and it costs $7. That's the menu. This is the chocolate egg, $18.
Some more paintings.
River Adventure. There's John Hamm.
Reminds me of the KFC guy. Butterbeer. Looks real good. Hey guys, we're here in Margaritaville at City Walk. This is the view we have at our table. We're ordering Volcano Nachos. Goodbye, Jimmy Buffett. Music playing right now. Enjoy.
Here are the Volcano Nachos at Margaritaville. It looks so good. You ready, babe?
I'm ready, are you?
Yeah. All right, let's dig in.
Right here on the Jurassic World campus, combined with the ultimate state-of-the-art safety precautions.
And smaller items must be placed in complimentary lockers prior to riders passing through metal detection. Any larger items, such as large backpacks, purses, and bags, must be left with a non-rider or secured in lockers.
Now, as you probably know, this is one of the schools where young people come to study the magical arts. For centuries, Hogwarts has educated scores of young men and women, many of whom have gone on to distinguish themselves as fine witches and wizards. A few, it's true, have strayed to the dark side. Once a young boy named Tom Riddle stood precisely where you stand now. Of course, these days, he's best known by another name, Lord Voldemort. The name alone strikes fear in good witches and wizards everywhere.
Volcano Bay. Here are the cabanas. We are on an upper level facing the volcano and the wave pool. Here is our cabana. We're gonna go in. There's Trey. Got some nice chairs right here. Nice little bench. We have a little fruit basket, bananas, a cookie, apple, orange, grapes, some muffins, danishes, some pineapple. Looks yummy. We have our little locker right here with all of our stuff. We have a lot of towels. And we have a fridge stocked with a lot of water. And we have this tapu thing where we can check all the wait times and the food menu, drink menu, and the map. So here we are at Volcano Bay. We have the Volcano Bay rum punch. It looks really good. I'm gonna try it. It's strong, but it's good. I really like it.
It's right here. It's an edible flower. We'll see how it tastes. Never had one. Doesn't taste like nothing, but we'll see how this drink tastes. Looks pretty. It's good. Delicious. Wunderbar.
Have fried yuca, and we have some jerk style chicken wings. What do you rate the wings?
I don't know, but they're really good. The sauce, phenomenal. There's a nice kick to it.
Nice jerk glaze. So when you order a drink here at the Cabana, you get to keep the souvenir cup it comes in. Look how cute this cup is. We got another drink. This one is called the Vols Fire Punch. Ooh, this is good. Not too strong.
It's good. How do you rate it compared to the last one?
I don't know. This one's pretty good. I've never had a fiery drink like this.
No, this one's pretty good.
We have this drink here as well. It's called the Haku Puini. So let's see how this one tastes.
Yeah, it's like two different,
Yeah, they're completely different.
sounds.
This one's like, how would you describe this one?
It's just a nice, fresh, summery drink, a little more unique and
Yeah.
fiery.
Yeah.